everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Imbewu the seed, guys. Last week we've seen Thokozile trying to escape with the baby Mepo, but unfortunately she was arrested, and very soon Kamadonsela will be out to be with her family. And guys, we found out about Phakate's entanglement with the Sebenzile. Enough about Phakate. Our focus for today is baby Mepo, who is still in danger even after she was saved from his psycho grandmother Thokozile. Now her psycho mother is planning to use him to get Nkuleko's attention. There's actually nothing Zethu wants to do to get Nkuleko back in her life, even at the expense of her child. Zethu will try everything, even harass Fikile, but all that won't work for her. She will then decide to risk with Mepo's life. Zethu knows exactly that Mepo is highly allergic to peanut butter, but she will feed him some just to manipulate Nkuleko, hoping he will come and save the child before anything bad happens. She's quite aware of the consequences, but the reality is Zethu, guys, is not a doctor. She won't know what to do if her plan takes an unexpected turn. One wrong guess, Mepo is dead, and Nkuleko will be gone, will be nowhere to be found in Zethu's life. I don't know, guys, but I think they are planning to kill Mepo's character on Imbewu. Continue to watch it and do leave your comment below, guys, and share your opinion. Bye.